whatever the tools you require is first ME analyzer. ME analyzer. ME analyzer. What this tool do? ये tool क्या करेगा कि आपका जो BIOS फाइल है उसके अंदर ME का वर्जन क्या है? What is the version is used in this BIOS ME? Okay, it will tell you. Okay, this is the icon of ME analyzer. Intel Engine Firmware Analyze Tool. It is actually Intel Management Engine. What is ME? Is Intel Management Engine. ME Management Engine. This is my ME file, my BIOS file. This is my BIOS file, which one have the first image what the chat I show you. In that he told me that this one have delay display. The same ME file, BIOS file. Okay, how to find what is the ME version in this file? It's very simple. Just drag and drop that file into this window and click here. You should click here, click in the window and press enter. Just press enter. Then it will show you firmware Intel ME. If it is a TXE, then it will show you Intel TXE and version 9, 5, 15, 1730. What is this 9 and 5 and 15 and 1730? Okay, just write it down. First one is major version. Major version, minor version, hotfix, and build number. So here in ME you can see that 9.5.15.1730. Here the first dot, before the first dot is the major version, and the next is the minor version, and the other one is hotfix, and the last one is 1730. Okay, I'm not going to explain all those things. अगर explain करना है, then I have to teach you software. समझ में आ रहा है जो मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ?
हाँ सर, समझ में आ रहा है सर. नया थिंग जानने के लिए मिला सर.
Okay,
इंटरेस्टिंग है.
Okay, कोई जो English guys, please, you guys understanding me? Do you have any doubt? Libin, Saravanan, yeah, Saravanan also here.
Yes sir, I can understand.
சொல்லுங்க சார், தமிழ்ல வேணும்னா தமிழ்ல கூட சொல்றேன், நோ ப்ராப்ளம். புரியலன்னா கேளுங்க, நான் சொல்லி தரேன்.
புரியுது சார்.
ഓക്കെ, മലയാളത്തിൽ ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ മനസ്സിലാകാത്തുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മലയാളത്തിൽ വേണമെങ്കിലും പറഞ്ഞു തരാം. ലിവിന് പറയണ മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ?
కంటిన్యూ చేయండి అమ్మా.
ఓకే, నేను చేస్తా.
తెలుగు
తెలుగు నో ప్రాబ్లం.
सर केविन सर, आपका तेलुगु लैंग्वेज अच्छा है सर.
అవునా?
కంటిన్యూ చేయండి అమ్మా. I am also know Telugu sir.
Okay, నేను చేస్తా, no problem. So whatever, English is enough. Okay, fine. So जो आप इसमें देख रहे हैं, when you are look at here you can see 9, 5, 15 and 1730. You should take care about the number. You should note the number, what the number is in my file, how my ME region, how this is the build number, I mean major version, minor version, hotfix and build number. All the numbers what is in my ME region. What my ME region is this one. Okay, and I am facing what the problem is. I have a delay display problem. Delay display problem means I am getting a display after few seconds only. I am pressing power button, but I am getting a display after few seconds. Like it's taking more than usual time. जो साधारण जितना टाइम लेता है उससे ज्यादा जो टाइम लेकर के आपको डिस्प्ले आ रहा है, उतना टाइम ले रहा है. तो इसका मतलब कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? आपका ME रीजन में प्रॉब्लम है. We are changing the ME region file. I told you that BIOS has many regions. In that, within that BIOS file, we are just changing the ME part. Okay, suppose this is an this is a BIOS file, and whatever the text going here, this all these things are just regions. Suppose this is my first region, and this is my second region. Okay, it is coding, you could not understand that. Okay. So this is my regions. Okay, in that it is just a part, only one part is ME region. Suppose this is my ME region. ME region. This is my ME region. What I am going to do, that I am just only changing this section, this part only. Okay, I'm not going to change all BIOS or all files or all region. I'm just going to change only this part, where our ME region is. Okay, we already learned how to edit BIOS. Okay. So anyway, like in if you open BIOS file in Hex Workshop, because I am using Hex Workshop only, I know only that thing. Okay, and in our BIOS class also, I told you that if any file, any BIOS file starts with 16 dots, how many dots? 16 dots. Here you can see the value, it is 16. I started selected from reverse, that's why it is minus. Now you can see that it is 16. Selected a CL means selected a 16. 16 dots and an Z followed by an Z, which means this BIOS file have 100% ME region or TXE region. It has 100% ME region or TXE region, right? And it is 101% sure that it is an Intel BIOS. It is an Intel BIOS with ME region or TXE region. Okay, and we already saw that this has an ME region version 9.5.15.1730. Okay, now let's go to the clearance part. There is actually one procedure, people all know that, using FITC, flash image tool, that is FITC. ME region clean करने के लिए सबसे पहले the first work is to analyze. You should check what is the version of ME region is used in this BIOS. इस BIOS के अंदर ME region का कौन सा वर्जन यूज किया गया, इसको सबसे पहले आपको चेक करना है. So for that you need ME analyzer, and I told you how to check the ME version using ME analyzer. Then the next step is just note down the version. It is 9.5.15, which means I need an FITC tool, FITC, the flash image tool related to this version 9.5. Like here I posted FITC version 11.6, 10, 1.6, 7.1, 7.1.13, something the full version, 9.0, 9.5. Here it means 9.5. I need this tool to clean. Just you can download from our website or many other sites also giving this thing, giving the file to you. Okay.
तो सबका वर्जन के हिसाब से अलग-अलग टूल्स हैं.
हाँ, that is what I am saying. Okay, it is related to the version of the ME region. Okay, so the main If it is 9.5, which means here my version is it is 9.5, then my file will be this 9.5. Just going to extract this here only, and I got FITC. Here it is wrote FITC. Okay, just open it. This is your tool, Flash Image Tool version 9.5.15.1730. Open the file. You can go like this way also. Click on open and browse the file where it is, or you can directly drag and drop the file, and click on ME region. Here you can see ME region. Click on ME region, and here you can see that major version, minor version, hotfix, build number, all those things I said earlier. What I said earlier, the major version 9, minor version 5, hotfix version it is 15, build version it is 1730. Okay, here you can see that the same thing. I'm not going to change with the same file. Why it is just because the same file have this problem, which means I have to change the version. I have to change the ME file. Okay, so I need an updated version which is called respiratory packs. Here you can see there are many. I will upload this soon in our website also. Okay, here you can see all the versions like 9.5.0.1428, 9.5.1.14 something, whatever, like this. Okay, and our version is 9.5.15.1730. Okay, just go there, 9.5.15.1730, and you can see the file version and file size. Here it is 1.5 MB. Okay, what is the file size is 1.5 MB, and check this one is 9.48, which means approximately it is 1.5 MB. So this is the file ME region is using in this BIOS. What is the size of this BIOS? It should be more than 4 MB. It is 8 MB. What it is? It is 8 MB. In this 8 MB, 1.5 MB is our ME region. Okay, 1.5 MB is our ME region. Now what we have to do is we should select some upgraded version. Like you can select, one thing you should remember, that the major version and minor version. The major version and minor version should be same. Major version, minor version should be same, and the hotfix and the build version can be changed. You should select the upgraded or the next version or other more. It should be upgraded version. Like here it is 15. I should select 16, 17 or whatever the upgraded, the higher version. You should select any higher version. Okay. I can see that here it is 9.5, 9.5, 9.5. All this is 9.5, 9.5. Which means I can use this is something like 7 MB. Here it is 1.5, right? So I can use the 9.5.60.1952 also. Okay, you should try with this. You should try with this. How many files there? It may be like 5 or 6 files. Okay, you should try. Here you can see that what is the version? It is 9.5.60.1952, which means I used the last one. I used 9.5.60.1952. I'm just copying the file. No need to copy or something. I placed this, that's a file here. Just double click here, the source. What it is says, the source. Double click here, loading a new ME region will reset existing parameters. Continue yes or no. Yes, I have to, I want to, and browse. Browse the file where I put, it is here on. Okay, the new version 9.5.60.1952. Okay. Now the next step is an important step. Build, click on build and go to build settings. Here you change the path where you want your ME region file. Like I need an ME file in the desktop. Okay. Creating a new file, new folder. Clean ME. Okay. Here also I am giving the name. It is Lenovo, whatever the name, blah blah blah. 50, 70, clean. Okay. The save type has been okay. Save. Okay. Now the step is to build this file. There are three options to build, like what is here, build image. Go to the menu and click on build image. And other one is you can just click here, it's a shortcut, or you can use the shortcut key, it is F5. Okay, anything, just click on that. Are you sure want to choose the port card, get go ever, whatever, just you should have to say yes, and it's said done. Open your folder, here you will get the same file says it is 8 MB, and what I given the file name, with that file name you will get a file. Check properties, it is 8388608 byte, which means exactly 8 MB file. Now your file ME has changed. I don't want to save anything now. And remember one thing, always you have to open ME analyzer each and every time to check. I'm going to check this, is this changed or something. Okay, now you can see that 9.5.60.1952, the MB version changed. Okay, it is very simple thing, anyone can do that. इसमें आपको करीब 11 slides है. There are 11 slides only for understanding what is electricity. Here it is only about electricity. Okay, the next is resistor. In resistor I am still working on it. It's more than 30 slides. It is more than 30 slides. I'm still working on it. Okay, I'm going very deeply, very deeply. It is there just only basics. Only basics. Okay. If anybody interested, join. It is not only for our field. It is also for 10th class, plus 2 degree student. Anyone can join there. It is only about just about electronics.